Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today is going to be simple. I am going to prove to you that deving meme coins is more profitable than trading them, more consistent than trading them, and way less stressful because you have nothing to lose when you create coins. And I'm going to do it live with a live launch in this video so that the numbers speak for themselves. No fluff, let's get straight into it, bro. If you're tired of losing money, this is for you. Guys, look at this phantom wallet. Every single dollar in here came from launching meme coins on Solana, and in this video I will be walking you through exactly how I do it, step by step, no fluff. I do not sell a course. Let me tell you exactly why you have to stop trading and you have to start deving, because once you see why, you clearly cannot unsee it. Now look, as a trader, every single time you buy a coin, okay, you are entering into a game that was designed before you arrived. What I mean about that is that most of these coins just end up going to zero. They get no volume, and once they pump, they just dump. And even if you make a small profit, maybe on the next coin you might lose all your money, because most of these coins, okay, I would say around 91% of all coins end up going to zero, just like this coin for example. Every single time you buy or sell a coin, there's a fee that goes into the pockets of these devs. Your buying pressure pushes the price up and gains way more attention into the coin for the dev. At the end of the day, it's the dev that's winning. He is making money off everybody's buy and sell, and that's exactly why you have to transition into deving. It's more interesting because you have nothing to lose when you're launching coins. It costs nothing to create a meme coin, and then when you sell your supply, you are up generational wealth. As a dev, you are not entering someone else's game, you are just building your own. The liquidity pool is yours, you seed it, you manage it, and you remove it whenever you choose. It's up to you if you want to cash out here, or at the top. And in this video, I will be exposing my step-by-step deving strategy on exactly how I find my narratives, how I create them and turn them into coins, how I launch it on Solana, and I will even top it off with a live example for the second half of this video to see how much I can personally make from a launch in this video. Anyways, let's get straight to it. And by the way, bro, I do not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so be aware and do your own research. Cap! Now let's talk about where to actually launch your coin, because this is the decision that determines everything else for your deving career, right? Now most people default to Pump.Fun when deving coins. It is the most well-known name in the space, so it feels like the obvious starting point to create coins. And yes, the process looks simple enough from the outside, but the moment you actually create and launch a coin, you will realize that no one is going to buy your coin and you are just wasting your time. Pump.Fun is completely saturated. Thousands of tokens are launching every single day, and the feed moves so fast that organic visibility is essentially non-existent. Your coin goes live and it gets no buyers, and on top of that, you don't even control your own coins and your own liquidity pool, so you cannot even dump the coin if you wanted to. That's why people are shifting away to ETH, BNB, or other dexes because of this, but I personally have a different approach. I launch in the migrate section instead. It's the Radium dex. It's basically like the level 2 of Pump.Fun. When a coin goes to Radium, right, it gets a bunch of attention, a bunch of eyeballs, a bunch of volume, a bunch of buyers, and if you have a good narrative, bro, let me tell you this, it can go viral, okay? It gets a bunch of attention. Like this coin was the last migrated, it pumped a lot, and the dev made easily over 10 bands, okay? Now that is exactly where we will be launching. Now look, to make a coin to Radium, do not use Pump.Fun because of all the requirements and because you don't control the coins. Instead, use create meme.io. It's the best launchpad for Radium. You control the liquidity pool and it goes to Radium. That's why people are gatekeeping this external launchpad. Now, to make a token, okay, you have multiple options. You could either create a coin from complete scratch, custom made, okay, if you have a narrative, a community, or some type of news like the Hanto virus that is going viral recently, you can turn anything into a coin, or you can use the free X tracker, right? Let me just connect my Phantom wallet. You can use their Twitter tracker and turn tweets that are coming out at every single second into into coins. So for example, bro, if Trump does a tweet, you can turn that immediately into a coin before everyone else. But the copy trending coins tab is my personal favorite. I've made the majority of my money from vamping coins here. Basically, all these coins are going viral. They all have a good narrative and they're all gaining a bunch of attention and buyers, okay? That is exactly why they're on this list right here. They're proven with a viral narrative. So instead of creating a coin from scratch, you can just use these viral Pump.Fun coins and relaunch them back to Radium to get a bunch of attention and a bunch of buyers and possibly surpass the coin that you copied. That's why it's so insane. But anyways, guys, now it's time to make some money. Let's dev a coin and then see how much we can make right now, bro. Keep watching, it's going to be insane. Let's go. Now connect your Phantom Wallet, click on refresh and look for a coin to copy, bro. I usually just copy a random coin. I would just go for the Aura coin, right? Click on copy to Radium. Your Phantom Wallet is going to show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created. The block is completely normal for all launchpads, okay? Just remember that. And bang, now if I go on SoScan, it's minted on the Solana blockchain, so it's legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create our liquidity pool for our coin. Like that, we control the supply, and like that, the coin goes to Radium. Obviously, that's the whole point. Now there's two easy steps. The first step is for the coins. Just click on 90% for all your devs. I do that for all my devs, okay? Now for the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. Anywhere over that is kind of useless because you will hold too much supply. I'm going to put 0.3. Obviously you are not going to lose this. You can get this back at any moment, whether it's, you know, during the launch, after the launch, or just right now. It's not a fee, nothing. So click on create pool. Your Phantom Wallet is going to show up. Yes sir. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the Aura coin is live, okay? You have all your stats here, even your PNL, and usually at the beginning your coin should pump if you copied a viral coin. So click on refresh. And as you guys can see, we got a bunch of insta buys on Radium directly, $195 worth. Now it is going up right now as we speak, most likely. So go on your trading platform for meme coins of preference. Okay, let me go in full screen. Let me go on the 1 second time frame. It's the best for these coins. And as you guys can see, the coin is fucking pumping. What a freak, bro. It's exploding. We're already up like 700 bucks. This is insane. This is exactly why I endorse creating coins so much. This costed us nothing to create. Like, look, bro. And we're already up like more than a band, maybe, or even more than half a band. Like, this is insane. And this is a power of copying coins, right, back to Radium. Now I'm gonna give this coin like a couple minutes. For you guys it might be a couple seconds because of the time lapse, but yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back and let's cash out on our meme coin, okay? Let's sell our supply, come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, 2.7 thousand is what we are going to receive right now if we cash out. So let's do that really quick. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Your Phantom Wallet is going to show up. Just ignore the block like usual. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just showed you exactly step by step on how to dev a coin. And look, I'm not capping. 2.7 thousand is straight inside my Phantom Wallet. The markets are hot. Solana is over 90 bucks per coin, so you guys have to start deving right now, okay? Stack up that portfolio, launch coins, be consistent, okay? Consistency is key. And yeah, bro, create meme.io will be linked down below. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky when you're right here, just like, comment and subscribe, and join my free Discord and Telegram group down below to enter the giveaway. Good luck to everyone who joined.